Carlo, what are you doing? Yo, we're out here at Kingston Auto Styling. Got my camera out here. We're gonna do some nice little filming. Yeah, that's the boy right there. He's not even paying attention to me right now.
What's good?
What's up? Yo, check out this color. It's not coming across on camera very well for you guys, but this is a crazy color. Make sure you go and follow Kingston Auto Styling on YouTube. He's actually starting to post more now, so this is gonna be sweet. Yo, look at this man's. I don't know why he's going over this speed bump right now. Oh my god, Mateo, your front lip is looking real good. This is clean. Carlo had to park all the way over here. Dang. Uber Eats? Hi, Carlo. It looks like you've been released from prison.
I know, dude. Thankfully. What's up, bro?
Just wrapped up a little bit of filming at Kingston Auto Styling. Big things coming to this Evo very soon. Yeah, that's all I can say. We're about to head on out. I just killed my car. Oh no. Yeah, damn. I love that roof box, by the way. It's fucking sick. I want a roof box now. Damn, bro. Let's run it for pinks. Oh yeah, bro.
Thanks to our friends at Braum Racing.
Oh, yo.
Sent us another harness, like my 5th harness.
It's time for an unboxing, guys.
Unboxing. Started to go different from red.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you gonna keep one red?
Yeah.
And then what's the other color?
This is.
Don't tell me it's black. God damn it.
It's not black.
What
It
color?
is pink.
Oh, that's actually really sick. I like that. It matches me.
Yeah, it's sick, dude.
Hell yeah, dude.
Nice, like
That's actually kind of sick.
rose pink. Yeah.
Fuck.
All my female passengers. Shout out
Oh,
to
there
Mom.
you go.
All the way from China.
China?
Shout out to Subaru Mafu. Bro. If he has this head unit, I gotta get this.
Doing?
IDoing.
What are you doing?
I listen to radio.
I doing.
Another.
IDoing.
Here it is. Nice. It's kind of big, no?
Yeah. It's got the touchscreen and everything.
Comes with all the harnesses and stuff.
It's a lot of harness.
Holy fuck.
You don't have to use all of it, I promise.
Oh, it's for the Forester.
Yeah, but you don't have a Fozzie.
We're not slow over here. Everyone in the comments is gonna be like, "That's a WRX. He doesn't have the STR."
Now we are going to head into the JDM anime interior. Anime titties. Anime titties. Anime titties.
Anime titties.
Yo. Alright, we're gonna pop this bitch off. Oh! And then we just take out that and install the other one. 4 screws. Yeah. Flathead. So the unit now has vents.
Dude, that
Basically,
looks pretty OEM.
It does. It looks really good. I'm trying to figure out microphone placement right now. And it's just dangling there.
Hey, guy.
Did you just suck on it? Milk the teat. What?
Bro. I don't know, dude. Wait for it. Boom.
Click.
Oh, wait.
Oh,
There we go.
There it goes.
Dude, that fits way more flush than the OEM one. What the fuck? Dude, that's smooth.
The difference? Do it work or do it not work? Oh, yo. There it goes.
Sick.
That's sick. Or you can do music
Ah, that's so ghetto.
and play your music. You say it's ghetto? Yeah.
Ghetto. Oh!
Link that
You want to
blue
watch a
bitch.
movie?
Yeah, let's do a movie, bro. Yo, my videos got ads on them, bro. Fuck yeah.
Get the fucking ad.
Dude.
So fucking sad.
Yo. It's got picture-in-picture too, bro.
There you go.
Yo.
And then if you want, full
screen. To the pink. Oh
instead
my
of it
god.
being black on black, it's actually white on black.
That's so clean. I like that a lot, actually.
Yeah.
Fuck, maybe I'll have to go pink. Yo, check it out. Got the pink on pink. That's looking fucking fire. Woohoo! Straps, bro. Carlo, what are you doing? On Devin, hell yeah! found an Ethyn. What's good? Look at that ducktail. Oh my god. Woo! Yeah. Bro, Ethan's car is so clean. I'm about to love tap it. But yeah, it's so clean, guys. Look at that tail light and everything. Wow. Yo, we found a spot at the Toyota dealership. This place is crazy. Look at all of these lights. And yeah, so he's got the rear spats now. He's got the rear ducktail. It looks so good. Oh, and these tails are so crazy, guys. Look at that. Oh, it's so nutty. What? Yo, we made it out to the front of the showroom. There's Eric. Jesus Christ. Looks like the boys got dinner from HelloFresh. Prep for this week. HelloFresh, do you want to sponsor me? Sponsor our videos? We make some dope cooking with Lenny's out here with the, got the Evo out front. This ain't sponsored, but we got a big ass box right now. Blackened chicken penne. It's Wednesday. That means it's Book of Boba Fett night and wine. Yeah. If you guys not watching this show, y'all sleeping. Man's be slicing and dicing out here. God damn. Professional chef, man?
No.
got the cheese and the cream cheese and the yeah.
You gotta palm heel strike the clove garlic.
Oh,
That's
nice.
how you get all the peel off.
You're so aggressive with it.
That's how you're supposed to do it.
Whoa, the end product. I took a bite already. It's fire. Shouts to the cook.